Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to review one UV glass protector or UV tempered glass for my Xiaomi 12 Pro that I purchased yesterday from Amazon basically. And so I have already applied the tempered glass on my Xiaomi 12 Pro screen and it looks fabulous, I would say. And you won't notice that there is any tempered glass here. It looks so real that you think that nothing is applied on the screen, but I have already applied that tempered glass. As you can see, maybe here you can see that line, right? Okay, so I purchased this UV tempered glass from Amazon. I was very skeptical about it while purchasing because there was no not much review as such throughout the internet. So I searched a lot about good and perfect tempered glass for this Xiaomi 12 Pro, of course, because the display is very nice and it's curved, so it needs a lot of protection. So yeah, so at first I was very skeptical while purchasing this. So this is the box in which this tempered glass came, and uh, so as I have already applied it, so I think there is no unboxing video, but I guess I can show you what was in the box. So in this pouch this tempered glass came. It was here. Now that tempered glass was basically, yeah, covered with this film. Okay, and then there was this wet wipe. Okay, so this is the wet wipe. It was there is a solution or alcohol in it, and first you have to clean the uh, actual screen with this alcohol wipe, and after that there is a dry cloth. You can wipe the alcohol or any liquid that is on the surface of the actual screen. You can wipe it with this, and if there is any dust particles on your screen, you can just apply this stickers and then pull those dust particles if there is on the screen. And once you are done with cleaning your actual phone's screen properly, then what you can do, there is a glue. So this is the liquid glue that is came in this uh, in this thing. So it's empty now because I've applied the screen. So what you have to do basically, say for example, if the screen guard is not applied here, so this is the glue, and you will just put it in the middle. Okay, in the middle, and once you are done, once this is empty, you can keep it aside, and then you can just apply this screen guard over this thing, and it will automatically spread the glue all over the screen. You don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for a minute or so, and once you will notice that the glue is totally spread across the overall screen, then what you can do, you can just align it thoroughly and make sure that there is a the gap of this bottom and the upper screen is totally equal. And once you are done with your alignment, then what you can do, you can just simply press at the middle a little, and the glue will come out from the sides, and then you have to basically wipe out those glue with this thing, or you can use any other clothes. All you have to do is clean those glue which will come from the sides. And once you are done slightly cleaning with this, so there will be this UV light. Okay, now this UV light will be activated with this plug point. You can see it's a type C plug point. So if you have a power bank, or what you can do, you can just take this phone with the screen near to any power source, and you can plug a type C connector and plug it with this thing, and this 3 LED UV LED will glow up, and then you have to basically hold this for a while all over the screen. So basically you will on this light, and then you will apply it slowly throughout the screen for approx, I would say, for 5 minutes you can do this to dry. So this is for to quickly dry out the glue that is inside the screen, and to make sure there is no bubble in the screen. And it should work, it should be done by 5 minutes after applying this. And you can see the finishing of the tempered glass. So yeah, you have to be very cautious, you have to be very careful while applying this, because it's a very delicate thing. And I mean, it's better if you just do it in a well lit condition. Okay. And once it is done, it looks amazing. I mean, there is no black border or so there is no chance to lose any side screen. Okay, because this is 100% transparent glass. So it won't affect your display quality or something. And the front camera is amazing, because I was thinking like maybe because it's a full body tempered glass, so it may affect the uh, selfie camera quality, because there is no cutout of selfie camera. But I was absolutely wrong, because after applying this thing, I checked before I applied this tempered glass, I was playing around with the selfie camera, and after applying with this tempered glass, I checked I checked the selfie camera again, and it worked absolutely normal. Okay, it's absolutely fine. So it won't affect your selfie camera, so don't worry about that. All I can say is this tempered glass is amazing. I will like keep the link, Amazon link of this product in my description, so you can go and purchase it from there. It's a little bit on the pricier side. It took around 470 rupees for me. It could be around 300 or so, but yeah, it's pricey, but it's quite a quality product. So yeah, so that's the review of this tempered glass thing. So it's a must buy if you are using the Xiaomi 12 Pro device. It's absolutely worthy, all I can say. So this is the box. Now this box image may not match with the actual Amazon link, so maybe they are providing it some other box or not. So not, don't worry about this box thing, just the internal products are quite good. So get